Hi, Mary.
Who is this?
It's your bestie, Linda. Have you forgotten my voice already?
I'm just kidding. Of course I do recognize you.
What have you been doing these days?
Just lying around, having nothing to do.
I thought your family is planning to go on vacation this summer.
My dad's going on a business travel, and my mom's busy with her workload. We have no time to go.
Are you free today, Mary?
All the time, girl. What do you need me for?
No, I'm coming over to your house.
Right now?
Yeah, I'll be there in 15 minutes.
Okay, I'll wait for you. Bye, Linda. 15 minutes later.
Mary, I'm in front of your house.
Okay, I'm coming. Hey, bestie. How did you get here?
This bad boy, of course.
You have a car already?
My dad bought it for my 19th birthday.
But I thought your birthday's next month.
It's an early present, actually.
Your dad's awesome. Wait up. Have you had your driver's license?
Of course I have it. I learned how to drive last year. I failed the driving test the first time due to parallel parking. Then I took the test again, and I finally succeeded.
Oh, that must have been challenging. At least now you know you don't have to ride your rusty bike around the neighborhood anymore. Where did your father buy this car, by the way?
He told me he bought it from a second-hand shop.
But it looks as good as new.
I know, right? I didn't expect that was the place my dad got it. Would you like to go for a ride?
I'd love to.
So, what are you waiting for? Hop in. Where would you like to go, my friend?
It's been a long time since we last went to the mall. Let's go there and do some shopping.
Great idea! And we can drop by Laura's place to see whether she can join us.
Let's go! In front of Laura's house. Laura, are you home? Hi, Mary. Hi, Linda.
Good morning, Mrs. Jones. Is Laura home?
She's right upstairs. Let me call her. Why don't you girls come inside while waiting?
Thank you, Mrs. Jones.
Hey, girls. How have you been?
We're doing great. Are you free today, Laura?
To do what?
We're here to ask if you could go to the mall with us.
The mall? Yeah, sounds fun. But I don't think I'm able to go with you guys.
What's wrong?
The poem rehearsal is taking place at 9:30 a.m.
That's an hour and a half to go. You have time to hang out with us, Laura.
Guess I should spend more time with my friends, right? So, how are we getting there? By bus?
No, we're not taking the bus.
When are we going on foot?
No way! The mall is 3 kilometers away.
How are we supposed to walk there? So, which means of transport are we taking?
My car, of course.
Your car? I know. Surprised, right? I was exactly like you when I heard the news. When did you have it?
Last week. It's a present from my dad.
Right, your 19th birthday. It's around the corner.
Come on, it's next month. That's not around the corner.
Still, it's gonna happen, and we need to come up with some gifts for her.
That's it about my birthday. Shall we go then?
Sure, wait a minute. Mom, could I go to the mall with my friends?
Sure, but don't forget to come to the rehearsal on time. And have a good time with your friends.
I will, Mom. Goodbye. Your car looks amazing.
Thanks. In fact, it's only a second-hand item. But it looks brand new. Is that what you were going to say?
Are you reading my mind, Mary?
Well, that was her reaction when I told her that.
Can we go now?
Yeah.
Your driving skill, it's not bad, Linda.
That's the result of taking the test twice, Lora. And where are you rehearsing your poems?
At a hall, right next to St. Paul's Hospital.
What event is that?
We volunteered to organize a poetry reading night for kids who have cancer there. The money from the event will be donated to the hospital so that these kids can receive treatment for their ailment.
Poor kids. They don't have the chance to live a normal life like us.
Are you interested in volunteering? Our organization is recruiting new members.
Really? What will we do?
There are 5 small departments. You can ask the head of the project for more information when you take me to the rehearsal. I'm sure he's going to be there.
Sweet, thanks. We finally arrived at the mall, everybody. Yay! I spotted some cute t-shirts when I went with my mom last week. Let's go to the clothes section.
Yeah, I'd love a new dress for the show, too. In the clothes section.
Lora, come here. I think this dress is perfect for you. Look.
This is cute, but I don't think it matches with my skin tone.
Why don't you give it a try?
All right, where's the dressing room?
Go straight and turn right. The booth's right at the corner.
Thanks.
Linda, what do you think about this shirt? Isn't it too colorful? Then how about this one? This looks better. The ducklings on that shirt are adorable. We can get 3 of these, like a group uniform. The 3 ducklings represent us. Mary, you're 19 already. This is pretty childish. Come on, we haven't got any items in common. It's just a shirt. I'll ask Lora if she's okay with that.
What do you think?
You're gorgeous.
I have no idea that blue would suit me.
Lora, what do you think about this shirt as a group uniform?
It's great. I love it.
All right then, 3 shirts for us 3.
Nice.